This Thanksgiving, it's about more than the feast. It's about gratitude. But when you walk through the door, what do you bring besides a dish? Today, I'm sharing the most thoughtful Thanksgiving gift ideas for hosts, family, teachers, and even Friendsgiving. These are gifts that say, "Thank you for everything." I've rounded up a collection of unique and meaningful Thanksgiving gift ideas that go beyond the expected. We'll look at thoughtful hostess gifts, cozy family favorites, and budget-friendly DIYs anyone can make. Let's start with the unsung heroes of the holiday, the hosts. After days of planning and preparing, they deserve something thoughtful, beautiful, and practical. A gift that adds to the celebration while also offering them a moment of appreciation. Something that creates an atmosphere of warmth, something lasting they can use again, or even something personalized with meaning. These choices always feel special. Quick question. What's the most thoughtful Thanksgiving gift you've ever received? Share it in the comments. You might just inspire someone else. Now let's talk about the people closest to us, family and friends. These gifts are about comfort, connection, and creating memories together. They're not just about the object itself, but the feeling of warmth and togetherness they bring. Think about gifts that encourage relaxation, comfort, or shared experiences. Whether it's something practical for the season, something cozy for quiet evenings, or something playful for group celebrations, it's the sentiment that matters most. If these Thanksgiving gift ideas sparked some inspiration, make sure to like this video and share it with family and friends who'd love them too. The most heartfelt gifts don't have to cost a fortune. In fact, sometimes the simplest handmade touches mean the most because they carry time, care, and thoughtfulness within them. These kinds of gifts are perfect for teachers, co-workers, or neighbors. They're personal, elegant in their simplicity, and always appreciated for the effort behind them. For more holiday decor, gift, and celebration ideas, don't forget to subscribe and join us for the next inspiration. Remember, Thanksgiving isn't just about food, it's about gratitude, and gifts are a beautiful way to express it. Whether it's something lasting, something cozy, or something homemade, the act of giving says, "I appreciate you." At the heart of Thanksgiving is gratitude, and every gift becomes a reflection of that spirit. It's less about the object itself and more about the thought it carries. When we give with intention, we strengthen connections and create lasting memories. May this season remind us all to share warmth, appreciation, and joy. Every gesture, no matter how simple, has the power to make someone feel valued. And in that spirit, we find the true meaning of the holiday.